Hello my dear students. Today this is a revision hour and our revision today for grammar. English grammar. The first revision for grammar chapter is voice. So when I first started this chapter, that time I told you about this chapter and we have done the exercise also. But now again we are revising as we have time and it is very necessary. So voice, with the voice chapter we just start our grammar revision. So what is the voice? Voice mean what? Voice means sound. Voice mean sound uttered through your mouth. There are some organs inside our throat. So with the help of that organ, sound comes from inside with the help of wind. So when it passes through larynx, one voice box is there inside our throat, it becomes sound, and with the movement of different part of inside our mouth, that is tongue, teeth ridge, lips, means sometime open, sometime half open. So there are so many techniques, so there are so many system is there. So we just uttered voice first time when so many thousand years back. So that is another thing. But we come to know about language and we have made some words, and through our sound we try to make others understand what I want to say about my feeling and emotion. So in this case, voice, that is sound, and sound as speech or song, anyone as speech or song. When it comes to speech, there are two different parts, there are two different sector, that is active and passive. In these two way we can say one speech, we can say one sentence. Active, that is directly when I am saying the sentence, that means subject verb object structure. You see here one example I have written, I see a beautiful butterfly. So I, subject, a beautiful butterfly, butterfly is the object here, and verb see. So subject verb object, this is a structure for active voice. And when it becomes passive, the rule is the subject of the active voice will be the object of the passive. Now you see, I become me in passive. A beautiful butterfly, which was the subject, which was the object of the active voice. That means I see a butterfly, that object becomes subject in passive voice. That means it interchanges active and passive, it interchanges its subject and object. Here subject in active become object in passive, and object in active becomes subject in passive. This is the main rule you have to remember. And the verb, in case of verb, it takes the help of an auxiliary verb according to its tense. Is, was, according to its tense, it takes an auxiliary verb in passive, and the main verb, that is see, main verb here in the sentence SEE, that verb, it takes the past participle form. Verb has three form: base, past and past participle. So the verb form, it will be past participle. You see, a beautiful butterfly is auxiliary seen, past participle, by me, the subject of the active, me, I becomes me there. So these are the pronouns, and you see, this is the main rule become for doing active to passive, and sometimes passive to active also. Suppose a beautiful butterfly is seen by me, it is given, and now the task is you have to do the active. What you will do? First you see the object of the passive and make it subject at first. Me, it will be I. So it is seen by me, that means I am looking at, so I will be the subject, and is seen means I see. What I see, that is the subject of the passive, a beautiful butterfly, it will be the object of the active. So interchange, it will be there. We have to do the interchange. Voice change is a very interesting chapter. One sentence, one thing, how many variety can be there. One sentence we can say directly, indirectly, active, passive, in this way, that way, so many way. But just the motto is we have to conduct the main purpose, main meaning, it will not change. The way of communication, it should be there, but in different way. So this is the motto. These are the techniques of speaking, nothing else. So voice, we should have a clear idea. Your task is you have to read the chapter and read the chapter very clearly. If you have any other grammar and composition book, in grammar book you can read voice chapter, you can do that practice also. Later I will give some task about this chapter, but I just want to start the chapter revision. Voice is our first chapter. According to our revised syllabus we will do it. Okay my dear students, so go through the chapter, watch the video. Thank you.